Hey guys, Spencer Coffman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hopefully remove a stamp from an envelope. Now this method came to us from Science Foundation. They left it in a comment in one of the previous videos. You can check it out in a card here. And it's really very simple. They said take some warm water and drip it on the back of the postage stamp and work it out with your thumbs and your fingers. So here's a stamp. It's on an envelope. You can see it's not coming off at all right now. So we're going to flip it over just like they say. This is some warm water. It's not boiling, but it is pretty warm. Drip it on there. I feel like this kind of take a while, but kind of speed it up. And then work it with your thumbs, I suppose, to loosen up the glue. Or maybe they say just to scrape off all the paper. That could be because it seems to be coming off pretty well. Get a little more water over here. Okay, look at this. It's coming real easily. Oh yeah, this is a good method. All right, a little more water. We should have started a clock on this, but I bet you it'll be done in less than 30 seconds. So look at that. How to remove a postage stamp from an envelope in 30 seconds or less with a little bit of work and a little bit of mess. But there it is. There is your clean postage stamp. Now this is excellent because it doesn't matter what type of paper it's on or how the gum is. There's still a little paper on the back here, but that's fine. I've tried several different methods, and you can check them out in a playlist here in this card. Now, if you have any suggestions on how to remove stamps from envelopes, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I can try to make a video on it, test it out, see what the best methods are, and go from there. So I hope you liked this video. Please hit that like button. I also really would love it if you subscribe to the channel, and if you do, please leave a comment below saying you subscribed. That would be awesome. And as always, stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.